Day 2, he has gotten some primer on the walls. I'm not going to move the door. I'm not going to open that door, but you get the gist. There's a wall back there. He just tossed the dryer here to get it out of the way. It's heavy, so ow, so he didn't move it. He's got to finish filling in the holes from all the cabinets. I think we're going to put different cabinets in, hopefully, maybe, that are a little bit bigger, just to give me some more storage. So he's filling in all the holes. Not sponsored, but he is using a primer for the green. The green is going to be very dominant, as you can tell, where he made 2 passes. It's just going to bleed through, which is why we wanted a primer. I'm going to a very light color, and no primer meant my color wouldn't have come out true. So primer is always important when you paint, depending on the color you're going from. Now, if you're going from a white or an eggshell to a little bit darker, you're fine, but most of the time you need a good quality primer. We've used Zinser, we've used Kilz, we've used other brands. Honestly, Kilz is great depending on if you have mold and things like that. But it is really important to use a primer. So this is day 2, filled in all the holes, took all the cabinets down, and Big Man is doing his thing. I'll jump off here and I'll show you guys when it's all done.